Hello, my beautiful friends. We are going to do a combination of somatic exercises with yoga stretches, improve your posture and neck pain, re-educate the body, release tension, and help your posture. Just have a seat. You're welcome to sit on a block too, so you can sit on blocks and pillows, whatever works. Drop your head right over to the left side and back. And back and back, bringing some mindfulness. Okay, now lift the jaw up, 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 and reach the arm out. Notice what you feel through the jaw, through the top of the arm, through the back of the arm. Breathe, pull it back slightly, lower down, change sides. Okay, feel this. Maybe close your eyes, okay? I know you're watching me, but you're reaching the right arm up and take it back. Lift the heart. Open through the collarbones. Feel them spreading wide. And notice if this side feels different from the other side, okay? You might feel entirely different. That's normal, okay? And then roll back, lift your head towards center, take your hands behind your head, and then side bend over. Take your right hand down, okay? And you're gonna twist open and then close. And twist open and close. Really simple. Open and close. And open and close. And open and close. Maybe flubber the lips. Hold, 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 lift your heart, slide the arm out, pull yourself all the way up. Take your head, drop it over to the other side, hand becomes behind your head. And again, just a little open and close. Open up that area. Notice where you feel this. Do you feel this on the back side of your body? The front side of your body? Notice the spaciousness, the fascia. Okay, we want to get into not just the musculature, but the fascia, those very dense tendons in the body. Lift up and back. Okay, you close your eyes. You decide if you want to do a couple more or not. Notice that other shoulder too. See if it's rotating in. Just be mindful of that, that's all. And then hold here, reach the arm, feel the sensations, okay? We're doing the somatic part. So I just want you to notice, and the intuitiveness of the body knows what to do. Stretch a little deeper. Pull yourself all the way up to sit. Okay, now close your eyes and look from side to side. Flub your lips. Okay, friends, you are all done. Namaste, friends.